We're on another nature hike with Nigel here. Nigel the pirate. Checking out all the herons, Heron Pond. Sorry, I can't say that word together. We got some hawks flying around. There's a turkey vulture. Look at that big, beautiful baby. That thing is right over us. Looks like they all kind of moved out a little bit. I was hoping to get a really good video / picture of them, but it looks like they're kind of far away. Man, that's a big bird that just flew. Let's see if we get that one on video here. So all this water from along here technically shouldn't be here. Like, this river used to be a lot skinnier and used to go up over that way there, and then all this here shouldn't be here. There it is. Look at that big bastard flying around. I love looking at these herons. These beautiful birds. Almost like cormorants or swallows? No, that's not this. That's not the bird I'm thinking of. Storks? That's another one. Well, this nature adventure was quite a thrill. Join me again for another adventure. Making movies, making songs, and fighting around the world.